Someone has the hiccups. Oh. Someone likes to see noise.
Yeah, he seems to like it, doesn't he?
Oh. He's like, where do I get the hiccups though? Yeah. Oh, they're young. In goes the finger.